Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're always on the hunt for the perfect lip color that combines ease of use, longevity, and versatility, then this might just be the product you've been waiting for. Today, we're taking a close look at the L'Oréal Paris Infallible Matte Lip Crayon in No Blossom Fig Deal, a product that's designed to deliver high-impact, full-coverage color with the convenience of a crayon. Let's break it down and see if it lives up to the promise of being the perfect on-the-go lip solution. When it comes to lip products, there's a lot to consider. How long will it last? Does it feel comfortable on the lips? Is it easy to apply? The L'Oréal Paris Infallible Matte Lip Crayon offers answers to these questions with a unique ergonomic design and a creamy matte formula that promises full coverage with just one swipe. The crayon tip makes for easy application, whether you're at home or out and about, ensuring precise lines and smooth texture without the need for touch-ups throughout the day. So, let's talk about how this product actually performs in real life. The application process is incredibly smooth, thanks to the creamy texture of the lip crayon. It glides on effortlessly, leaving behind rich, pigmented color with just one swipe. For those of you who are always rushing out the door in the morning, the ergonomic design of this crayon makes it easy to apply without a mirror, perfect for on the go. Plus, the No Blossom Fig Deal shade is a beautiful neutral tone with a hint of fig, which works across various skin tones, adding a natural but bold touch to your lips. But what about the lasting power? L'Oréal really delivers on this front. This crayon is designed to stay in place all day, with no smudging or feathering. It's ideal for those who need their makeup to last through busy days, and trust me, I put it to the test. After several hours, the color remained intact, even after drinking and snacking, which is a huge plus for those who need a no-maintenance option. As for the texture, it's lightweight but doesn't dry out your lips like some matte products can. Instead, it offers a comfortable wear that feels moisturizing, quite a surprise for a matte formula. The slight caramel scent is also a nice touch, making the application feel like a luxury experience without being overpowering. Now, no product is without its flaws, and the L'Oréal Paris Infallible Matte Lip Crayon does have a couple of minor drawbacks. For one, the color does tend to fade slightly after eating or drinking heavily, though it's nowhere near as noticeable as some other matte lipsticks. A quick touch-up might be necessary during your day, but overall, I think this is a small price to pay for such a comfortable, high-quality matte lip color. In terms of value, this product is definitely worth considering, especially if you're looking for an affordable option that delivers on both performance and convenience. For its price point, you're getting a lip color that's easy to use, lasts for a reasonable amount of time, and doesn't require constant reapplication. If you've used other L'Oréal lip products, you'll know they consistently deliver quality without the hefty price tag. As for alternatives, there are several other matte lip crayons in the market, but this one stands out in terms of its ergonomic design and its smooth, non-drying formula. If you're a fan of matte lip colors but want something more moisturizing, this is definitely a product to try. If you're on a budget, Maybelline offers a similar crayon that's also worth considering for a similar feel, but at a slightly lower price point. So, would I recommend the L'Oréal Paris Infallible Matte Lip Crayon in No Blossom Fig Deal? Absolutely yes. It's a solid choice for anyone looking for a matte lip color that's comfortable, easy to apply, and long-lasting without feeling like you have to compromise on quality. Whether you're a busy professional or someone who loves a bold lip without the maintenance, this product ticks all the right boxes. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. And if you've tried this lip crayon, drop a comment below to share your thoughts. I'd love to hear what you think about the wear and performance. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.